Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to make your aesthetic phone on Samsung. You will go to Pinterest in first, then you can choose any photo or images you want here. You can choose anything you want here in this page, but I already choose my photos. This is just a member. Then when you will choose your photo, as you see, I choose this here. You will click like this. You will go to widgets like this. Here in this list, you will go to gallery. You will click here in this page and you can click on add. Here in this page, you will go to this sign of settings. After that, in this page, you will click on images to show and you will enter. Here in this list, you can click on select images. Here you can go to albums. You will choose your album that you want, for example, pins. Here in this page, you will choose your photo that you want to add it to your widget. I will choose this here, as you see. Then I will click on done. As you see here, we click on save, and then you will go to this place here, and the same thing you will do it to all your photos. I will try to add another photo on the same step. As you see here, I add the second photo like this. Then you will click here and you can go to widgets. If you want to add your calendar, you will go to calendar here. Then this page, you can choose anything you want here, countdown or month and today, or anything you want. For example, I will choose this. You can edit it like this. You will go here, then you will click on settings. We'll choose white or black, and you can edit here your calendar like this, for example, or like this. I choose black, and then I will click here on save, and as you see, that's it here. Then you can choose these apps here. You will add it to this page, for example. You can choose any apps you wanted here to edit your widgets. Here also you can choose these apps like this black apps here. You can choose, for example, notes. You will add it here, contacts, and as you see here, this is the final result. Here you can know how to make your aesthetic phone on Samsung, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.